like my little Bambi soup. Alright. Bambi. Greetings all eyes. How's all the eyes doing out there? Today we're back with another Vital food video. And today we're making some green money machine juice. That green power juice. Get into all of the ingredients that we're going to be doing with it. So we're putting some spirulina in there, some hemp seeds, some moringa powder. Those are our like minerals and stuff like that. Well, all of it has minerals and vitamins and all of that. All types of vitamins in here, all types of minerals in here. But our supplements, if you will, is the spirulina, moringa, and the hemp seeds. Then we have some ginger that we're putting in there, some kale, and some spinach. We also have apples, so we're putting 3 green apples in there. We're putting some kiwi in there. We're putting some guava in there. And we're putting some cucumbers in there. So we're going to take the skin off of the cucumbers and the skin off of the kiwi and the skin off of the apples. We are cutting the skin off of our cucumbers and the apples and the kiwis. And then we're going to be putting them in the blender. Alright, so I'm squeezing some limes after I put the apples in. Squeezing some limes. Alright, let's do another cucumber. All the skins in the compost area. Everything we're going to put in the compost area. Then we're going to till it. And now for our kiwis. Cut our green kiwi. That's guava. Guava in there. That's guava. We have our kiwis cut, 3 of them. Kiwi. Kiwi. Then we have ginger. Alright, now that all of our ginger is mixed up, we're going to put it all right here. Try to put it down a little bit more. Mix it down. We're going to put this in there last. So we do have some kale. So last will be our kale. Well, next will be our kale, and then our supplements like moringa powder, then our powders and seeds. After we mush down our kale at the top, kale, spinach. I'm gonna add all of it. All of it. All right. Let me add a little bit of more lime. Add some lime at the top. Alright. Then we have our spirulina. Sprinkle some spirulina in there at the top. I don't want too much. Yeah, that's it right there. Then we have some moringa powder. I'm gonna add some moringa. Alright, that's enough of that. Then we're gonna add our hemp seeds. Alright, let me show y'all up close of what it looked like. Alright, so we have our spirulina, moringa powder, hemp seeds, kale, and spinach. Then we have our kiwi, apples, cucumbers, limes, guava. Alright, now we're about to put the water in. Here. We're going to fill the water all the way up to the top, because remember, we're making a juice, not a smoothie. Because we're going to be straining all of this out. Alright. Now what we're going to do is strain it out. Alright, we're going to strain it with our cheesecloth to make a juice. Oh wow, it's overflowing. Lift it up. Alright, there you go. So y'all can see. We're gonna get all that pulp out. Move it closer so you can see. This is our
green money machine juice. We're getting all the pulp out. Our green energy drink. Just empty out the pulp in here. It's all that green pulp. Alright, let's pour the next batch. We're going to strain it one more time through here. I'm going to pour it through here. One more time to get the pulp out. Get the last of the pulp out. Alright. I think that's the last of that pulp. And then, to be very, very sure, we're going to use a strainer. To get all of the rest. Alright, we're going to be straining it to get all the rest of the pulp out. This is a lot of chlorophyll. Chlorella, chlorophyll, spirulina. This is from the ocean. This is a lot of minerals over here. Over 100 minerals is in this juice right now. Over 100 vitamins is in this juice. This is a multivitamin. You don't have to take pills to get your multivitamins. You can just juice all types of greens, and that'll get you all your minerals. Alright, y'all, we're finished making our money green energy juice, our green money energy juice, our green money machine juice, whatever y'all want to call it. We finished, and now we're about to taste it. Yeah, I already know this is full of electrolytes, full of minerals. If you mineral deficiencies, just juice you some greens. I'm telling you, you're gonna get your blood sugar regulated. You're gonna get your iron up. You know, your hormones gonna be balanced. You're not gonna have no gut issues. Your pH is going to be balanced. Your hormones is going to be balanced. Your heart is going to be pure. Your heart health is going to be regulated. Your blood sugar is going to be regulated. Your nervous system is going to be regulated. Get you some green juice. And that's what we're doing for this week. Alright, Egypt, come get you some juice. It's your green juice. We're going to pour Egypt some green juice. And let's have her taste it to see how she like it. I know. It's okay. You like it? Alright, y'all. That's today's video. Give thanks and gratitude for y'all tuning in. Make sure you guys make this juice for you and your family. Ashe. Peace, love, and light, and actively healing to you on your journey.